Rolling action.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel REEJA'N'S artwork. So today I'm going to show you the tutorial of this beautiful necklace. It's a silk thread jewelry. So let's begin. Here are the list of materials required. So here are first small black beads and some of the black medium-sized beads and some of the balls in different shapes. I have used here 3 different types of balls to stick. And some of the cardboards I have cut in the shapes, and a silk thread, a fevicol, or you can use fabric glue, a scissor, and I have used a piece of cardboard to wrap the thread, and here are some rhinestone chain. So now first of all take the thread and wrap it around the cardboard. You may wrap around 30 to 40 times according to the length of your cardboard and the size of the piece. So now you can see I have wrapped it around 30 to 40 times, and you may now tie a knot in the end. In the top of the cardboard you can tie a knot and then cut the thread from one side, and you will get a long thread. So now add glue on the end of the thread, one end of the thread, and I have used my hands to apply the glue. So now you can wrap it around the piece of cardboard which I have cut in a circle piece. You can get them in jewelry store also, of plastic piece which is already in shaped like this, so you can get them also. So now I am wrapping the thread in the cardboard piece. Keep wrapping until you get to the end, or you cover the whole cardboard with the silk thread. So here you can see I have completed wrapping around the cardboard and I have got to the end. So now I will cut the end and paste it or glue it on the side. So I will apply glue. I have used a fabric, you can use fabric glue also. So apply all the glue on one side only, because so one side should look nice and another side we have to put glue. So again I have started to wrap the thread. So now I have got the thread, long thread. So I will again apply glue in the end, one end of, and now I will start to wrap it around a circular piece. So you can also get this cardboard piece, same plastic piece in jewelry stores. You can buy them, you can purchase them and use them also, but there is a lockdown, so I can't buy the plastic ones, so I have made myself the cardboard ones. So you can use any of, if you can buy them, buy. Plastics are good, but if you don't have, or there is insufficient, or there is lockdown effect, so you can use cardboard also. While wrapping, just send the thread from one end to another end. So first of all we have to wrap like this. We have to send the thread from the middle center part or the middle hollow part of the circle. So you will find like it is covering all the ends, all the side parts. So keep wrapping until you find that all the cardboard pieces are covered. So sometimes the thread may finished or maybe little short, so some part may be required to wrap again. So you can take another thread and again start to wrap around. So now you can see I have came to the end part. So now I will cut the end thread and paste it with the help of Fevicol in the opposite side. So we just got in the last part to make all the threads are equal, because while wrapping our thread may be misplaced and some may be longer and some may be shorter, so that will not give the final look. So now I have used a thread and I will tie a knot and I will add 3 small beads, a medium sized black bead, and again 3 small beads. So you may arrange the number of beads with the help of according to the size of the circle you are using. So I will tie a knot there and cut the thread. So again I will apply glue, and I have used my fingers to apply the glue. So you can use some brushes. So now I will decorate the bigger circle. So I will apply the favicol on the edge part, on the edge part of the circle, some circumference of the big circle. So I will first apply the rhinestone chain. So I will paste rhinestone chain in the circumference of the circle. So while pasting in silk thread jewelry, you may use fabric glue or favicol, but don't use hot glue because that does not give the final look or the perfect look to your jewelry. So now you can see I have pasted the rhinestone chain in the circumference. So now I will again apply glue on the circumference of small circle. So I will again paste the rhinestone chain on the circumference of small circle. So you can see I have pasted the rhinestone chain in this small circle. Now again take the largest piece and apply glue in 3 sides, or you may use you may see the size of your circle and make decoration according to the colors of silk thread you are using, according to the size and according to the rhinestone chain you are using. So I have pasted 4 balls in every side, in 3 sides. There are 3 sides, middle and side parts, 2 side parts and 1 middle. So you may design your jewelry according to your choice, or according to the color of the silk thread, or according to the beads you are using. So now my final pendant, it's the pendant piece, so I have made it. Now I will decorate the other small circle. So I will apply the favicol on the edge part, and I will paste the rhinestone chain on the edge part of the circle. So now I will apply glue on 4 sides, 4 opposite corners, and I will paste some balls. I have only pasted 4 balls in this because it's small beads, so I have used 4. So we should make 6 small beads. So I have used here 6 small beads, small circles. We have to make 6 small circles to get the final necklace piece. So I will tie a knot in the side piece of pendant, the bigger circle. So Here you can see I have beaded it. I have used 20 beads, small black beads, 20 small black beads. And now I will take the small circle and sew it from the middle black piece. So we have to take the needle through the middle black piece so that the middle black piece also becomes stronger and our necklace will be also strong. So we have to put the needle through the small black beads and the medium sized black beads that we have used in the small circle. So I will again repeat the process. I will again put 20 small black beads in the needle. And again take one of the small circle piece, and again I will sew it through the center black beads. So you have to do this 3 times. We have to take 3 small circles 3 times, and then you have to use a large portion for the small black beads, and again 3 circles will be used. So here you can see I have used 3 in one side, and again a large portion of the small black beads only, again 3 beads, and I have tied a knot there. So I will again take 22 small beads. You can use 20 or 22 according to the size of necklace you want. So I will again sew it. So while sewing this time you don't have to take through the middle part, you may use from the side portions. So while using from the side, you don't have to use directly from one into another. You have to take supports from the sides, like 1 inch. You should use 1 centimeter only, not more than that gap. So now you can see I have again layered 2 beads. So now I have made entire necklace. So there are 3 layer of beads. So it's our final look. Here is the final necklace piece. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.